Hey, this is Ben. I'm getting out this brand new Veradek outdoor planter. There's no assembly needed. It just comes all in one piece in the box. Get it outside and take a look in the sunlight. I really like the look of it. It is made out of plastic. It's a nice matte finish. I like how it looks in the light. It's not shiny, so it doesn't look like plastic. Almost look like terracotta in a way. These are like an insulated wall. There's 2 layers, so that helps with protecting your plants when the temperature drops. Looking down inside, it is nice and deep. There are 2 drainage holes. Looking at the bottom is attached with some screws, so theoretically it can be removed. Doesn't sit flat on the ground. It's raised up a little bit, so that can allow water flow and airflow. Now this hole does not directly line up with the other hole. There's a good amount of space in there. The bottom of the inside of the planter is about right there, so there's a good 4 or 5 inches of space below, just to allow room for that water to cool up and drain out without pooling up inside the planter. Now, I think it's a great planter. I really like how it looks. There's lots of space in there. It's deep, so it can accommodate for plants that have deeper root systems. I really look forward to filling this up and getting some flowers in there. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.